People, how are you guys? Hope you guys are fine. So it's another day and another weekend. म चाहिँ आज राइडमा निस्केको छु एन्ड आज चाहिँ म खासै धेरै टाढा जाँदै छुइनँ। आज म घरकै नजिकै लोकल ट्रायलमा राइड गर्न जाँदैछु। सो लेट्स गो। द वेदर इज बिट चिली। जाडो जाडो छ। पन्जा लाउनु पर्ने, पन्जा पकेटमा छ। अहिले ट्रायलमा पुगेपछि चाहिँ लाउनु पर्ला। यो बिचबाट चलाउँ हैन। यस प्र्याक्टिस आवर ब्यालेन्सिङ स्ट्रेट लाइनमा राइडिङ गर्ने टेक्निक। दिस इज लेट्स गो। राइडिङ अलोन टुडे। साथीहरू आज मेबी दे आर अलरेडी इन ट्रायल or I might ride alone, but let's see. The first is being naked. Let's go. Keep pedaling. We are almost at the bottom. त्यहाँबाट फेरि 15-20 आधी घन्टा चाहिँ उकालो चढ्ने ढकेल्ने काम छ है मेरो गाइस। Let's do trial. So I have arrived at the bottom of the trial. This is the bottom है गाइस। अब मैले ढकेल्ने चलाउनु मिल्ने ठाउँमा चलाउने। So I gotta get to the top now. That is my goal for today. And of course, having fun is the most important goal. So push, push, push. Hello. Lot of people and kids. Finally, I'm at the top, guys. So before we begin our downhill ride, let me drink some water. Yes. So are you guys ready? Now this is यो चाहिँ हाम्रो घर नजिकको लोकल trail. It's called Surisan, and as you can see, पातहरु टन्नै झरेको छ. It's quite slippery, but I know it's risky a bit, हैन? But the more risk, the more fun it is. Let's begin. Jai Sambo. Are you ready? Oh shit, there. And say oh, people. बिस्तारै जानुपर्छ मान्छे। अब मेरो खुट्टा प्लेसमा नभएर क्या। Ready? Now let's begin. Phew, it's slippery, man. Yo, wow. Nice. Go smooth. Phew, phew. Whoa. I know. Lot of leaps. Yeah. Lot of leaps. That's it. Oh. यो टर्निङमा चाहिँ कति धेरै पात क्या। Quite slippery. The trail is quite slippery because of the 안녕하세요. Holy cow. Yo, the trail is slippery. Yo, and it's fun. Steep section. Oh my god. कस्तो पातले गर्दा you cannot see anything. 안녕하세요. That was pretty fast and rowdy. Ready? Another section. Yeah. Let's go, boy. It's quite slippery. Don't break much, man. Phew. That's the way how you. Whoa. Slippery. Start जानुपर्छ मान्छे भएपछि मान्छे आएपछि के गर्नु बिस्तार जानुपर्छ Holy cow, my foot came off. मान्छे त छैन त्यहाँ check no time to send it. Woo! Yo boy, nice air time. That was so much fun. Still the trail is left. Yo. Oh. It's okay. Lots of kids. 안녕하세요. Yo. Let's go to the bottom. That was pretty freaking rowdy. Oh yeah. Now that's a local trail for you. Let's go. Sick.